Introducing Beats Solo Buds. They deliver huge sound in the smallest, lightest case we've ever made. Let's unbox it. Our packaging is 100% fiber-based with zero plastics. Inside the box, you'll find your new Beats Solo Buds. You'll also find that super compact case, 4 ear tip sizes to choose from, and a digital quick start guide. Scan the QR code here for the complete product guide to get the most out of your new Beats. Ready to pair? Make sure both earbuds are properly seated in their case. Open the lid of the case near your Apple or Android device until you see a pairing prompt, then tap to pair. Once you've tapped, your Beats Solo Buds will instantly work with any other iOS or Android devices you're signed into. You can also get Find My or Find My Device, so you can see your earbuds' last connected location on a map if you misplace them. Ready to listen? The acoustic nozzles are designed at an angle for a natural, comfortable fit. Each earbud also has a single on-ear control for your music, calls, and voice assistant. You can customize your controls in iOS settings or on your Beats app. To charge your buds, place them in the case and connect it to a power source with a USB-C charging cable. And you don't have to stress about running out of power, since you can charge them from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Don't let their size deceive you. These mighty small Beats Solo Buds deliver incredibly huge sound.